Hi, my name is Ayra Shabazz and I'm from Pakistan, and basically my stronghold is in mathematics. Today we are going to discuss about the equations. What do you what do we know about the equations, and what do we think about the equations? And the other thing, how can we recognize that which type of equations? So basically there are many types of equations, but now we are going to discuss about two types of equations. The first is linear equation and the second is quadratic equation. So the first thing is equation. How we understand the term equation? Equation basically is the sum, or it's the subtraction of the terms, algebraic terms. The first thing is, what is algebraic term? So we can say that 2x is an algebraic term. And if we add another algebraic term, so let's suppose that 4y is another algebraic term. So this is the sum of two algebraic terms, and there is an equality sign between these two terms. Let's suppose that there is another number 4 or 5, whatsoever. So this is called an equation. And on the other hand, when we are going to further explain about the two types of the equation, we should have to know about the degree term of an equation. So for the explanation of degree, we should know about two things. This number is called constant, and this x and y or any other unknown numbers are called variables or unknown. In the explanation of degree, we should know about the constant and unknown. If we know about the unknown, there is unknown x in this term and there is unknown y in this term. So the power of any unknown is called its degree. So its power is 1 and its power is also 1. So we can say that the degree of this equation is 1. Okay, so we can do this by some other examples. We can say that let's suppose that I have 2y squared plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. There is another equation, and now you can see that its power is 2. So it means that variable's power is 2. So its degree is 2. So there are two types of. The first is linear and the second is quadratic. Quadratic equation. The first is linear equation. This equation only holds degree of 1. When there is a degree 1 of any variable, this is called linear equation. Only contains power of unknown 1. It contains the power of unknown 1. And quadratic equation, it contains power 2 of unknown. So on the basis of the degrees and powers, there are two types. The first is linear, whose degree is 1, and the other is quadratic, whose degree is 2. So on the basis of the powers, there are two types. The first is linear equation, and the second is quadratic equation. So on the topic of equations, there are many other equations, but there are two types that we have discussed today. So I think that, assume that it was understandable and it was a good discussion with you. Thank you.